Okay, I just made a video like multi-time frame analysis because someone in the chat has asked for that, so that stuff is gone. What I'm gonna explain you now is basically the same, just like explicitly how to apply it correctly, like step in depth, just like the steps. So our strategy, as we all know, is based off liquidity sweep. The fuck? Okay, liquidity sweep, and then we want to get a sweep, fair value gap to the downside. Damn. Fair value gap to the downside, a tap reaction, and that's basically our strategy. But how do I use everything I learned? So the first thing what we need is bias. Bias basically just means like where does market wanna go? Does it wanna go up? Does it wanna go down? What are the intentions of price? Where does it want to go exactly? What I use for this, which time frame I use, is the daily and 1 hour. I use those two time frames to identify where market wants to go. Then if we know where market wants to go, we need like liquidity because we need something to sweep. And for liquidity to sweep, I use the 15 min time frame. So we have bias, where do I want to go today, where does the market want to go today. We use the daily time frame, the 1 hour time frame to identify that. And then we have liquidity because we need clearly something to sweep, which I use the 15 minutes. Once I have my bias, my direction, and my liquidity, my possible setup, I wait till price comes to my liquidity, and then I look for entry. Basically a fair value gap entry. For that I use the 1 min or maybe the 3 min time frame. So first step is we want to know if we're gonna go up or if we were gonna go down, right? The bias. We're now gonna make an example. Let's say we want to go up, okay? Then we go to the 50 minute and we see this fucking line, and we see we're in an uptrend. So we're gonna mark our liquidity here on the 15 minute because we need something to sweep, and then we wait because we need to be here, right? Then on the 1 minute, price slowly will come back step by step. We have a alarm, so once price touches it, we get a notification. Then what we need from here is a entry slash fair value gap. On the 1 minute, we wait for a push up, which leaves a fair value gap. Let me change the color of that. So we need here a fair value gap. Once we have that, we want to get back to the 1 minute fair value gap and see like the candle pushing slowly up. Once the candle closes like this, we enter and we let the trade play. And that's basically it. So where do we want to go? Then we have our 50-minute liquidity, then 1 minute lower time frame structure with the fair value gap, 1 minute pullback, reaction, entry, and boom. That's basically the strategy.